Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Try to answer in 5 to 6 sentences. Mainly use compound sentences, connect your ideas. In the beginning, give direct answer. At the end, conclude your answer. Okay, let's make a start. Do you like singing?
Yes, I like singing, and singing is one of the most wonderful professions because at the same time you're getting fame and a good, handsome earning. But being a singer, you have to be a very good voice. So I don't have a good voice, that's why I hesitate to be a singer, but I like it.
Okay. How often do you listen to songs?
I like songs too much because I think songs are motivation for you. And when you have different melodies, your mind work in a well environment and you have a lot of confidence, especially when you have motivational songs. But I also like the slow melodies whenever I have to rest and I have to sleep. So I think music is something which has a lot of diversity and you can connect your soul with it. So it's soul soothing.
Okay. Do you prefer listening to songs in your national language or in English?
I usually prefer it in my national language because it's something in your native language, and being a Pakistani, I would prefer to have songs in Urdu. But sometimes whenever you have songs in English and they have a good melody, I would prefer them. So I have a different sort of choice in that category.
Why do some people like sad songs?
I think sad songs have something to connect with yourself, especially their lyrics. And then the additional thing is their melody. So I think that songs are some things you can relate with yourself. At the same time, you can feel that feeling, which is basically portrayed by the singer as well as the musicians. So I think sad songs are worth listening whenever you have a sad feeling.
Okay, that's good. Overall, fine. Keep it up like this. You're speaking very comfortably, you're speaking fluently. Just be familiar with all these topics,
Thank
okay?
you, sir.
Now it's your turn. Let's make a start. What kind of public transport do you usually use?
I usually use bike because I can't afford a car. In future, if I afford the car, and it's my dream to
Yeah,
buy
in
a car.
future, if I will be able to afford
If
car, it is my dream to buy a
car
car. Okay, but I'm mainly talking about public transport. So instead of talking about your future, it's a good idea to talk about public transport. Like we have metro, we've got Orange Line. Okay, so you can talk about all of them. Now let's go on. What is your favorite mode of transportation?
my favorite mode of transportation is car by via car, and I want to use car to reach my destination. It is very
Yeah, it is very
it is very
convenient. It is
convenient
very fast. I can go anywhere.
with my car. That's it.
You need to speak, okay, at least 5, 6, 7 sentences, and all these sentences should come together in one go. All right, let's go on. Are you satisfied with the public transport in your hometown?
Yes, I'm satisfied with the public transport in my hometown because it is very convenient, and if I talk about the buses, every 15 to 30 minutes bus reach to go for their to other city,
Your bus leaves to another
leaves
city.
to another city, and it is very it is
Okay, so I'm very happy with the public transport system
very
in my
happy with
hometown. We have government and private bus services, something like that you can talk about, okay? So you need ideas to convey on these topics. So familiarity with the topic will help you a lot, okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.